Yellow, wag mong itatouch yung yellow. Okay? Bagay ba ito sa kanila? Mabilisan to
Gameplay. Players select the wrong color, ensuring they do not touch the designated color. If a player accidentally touches the forbidden color, they are eliminated from the game. Appeal. The game is perfect for family gatherings, parties, or reunions as it requires minimal setup and involves participants of all ages. It encourages bonding, teamwork, and lighthearted fun, making it ideal for creating memorable moments.
Pero ay do not touch the color. Bagay na bagay.
Sa mga...
Sa mga ayoko salita. Pero to, naisip ko din. Okay.
Sample muna, mami.
Sample.
Color.
Blue. Nabilis ha.
Hindi, mami, pag sinabi mong go, tsaka pa lang sila gaganon.
Hindi mag-iisip ka ng play. Kailangan pabilisan to.
Okay.
Okay. Violet, go!
Galing, galing.
Mukhang nahahasa.
Okay.
Dapat dalawang kunan. Yellow! Blue! Green!
Lagay mo lang din. Pangpalito.
Out na siya.
Trial.
Go na yun.
Okay. Yellow! Green!
Next round.
Blue, orange, yellow, green, red.
Out.
Okay, nasa kalita din siya. Para medyo malawag na kayo.
Tumatagal si Mama. Ayun eh.
Blue, yellow, green, pink. Orange, yellow, green, violet.
Yan, dapat mix natin. Mix para hindi sila nalularo.
Isang retiree, isang taga-dinner at left end. Blue,